Hello. Welcome back to Module 4, Authority is Constructed and Contextual. Today, we'll discuss Section 3, the SIFT method, which is a strategy designed to evaluate the credibility and reliability of online content. The SIFT method was developed by digital literacy expert Mike Caulfield. The method, also called the 4 moves, is based on techniques used by professional fact-checkers and is particularly useful for analyzing news, social media, and other online media. Each step in SIFT helps you make informed decisions before sharing or using information. Disclaimer: this video was made by adapting from Caulfield's materials with a CC BY 4.0 license. The first step is stop. Before you read, share, or react to any online content, stop and ask yourself, do I recognize this source? What do I know about its reputation or trustworthiness? Am I reacting emotionally to this information? Headlines and posts are often designed to provoke strong emotional responses. Avoid reacting or sharing until you have paused to evaluate the content. If the source or claim is unfamiliar, use the remaining steps to investigate further. Next is investigate the source. Determine the credibility of the source by researching the author, organization, or website publishing the information. Ask, what is their expertise on the topic? Are they biased or aligned with a particular agenda? Do they have a track record of accuracy? Use lateral reading to see what other trusted sources say about the organization or author. This means leaving the original webpage and searching for external perspectives, such as Wikipedia or independent reviews. On social media, use techniques like hovering over profiles to learn more about who is sharing the information. Taking just a few moments to investigate can help you decide whether the source is trustworthy and worth your time. Hover your cursor over a link to see the user profile to learn more about the people sharing information, especially on social media platforms such as TikTok. When you hover, you can ask yourself, is this source what I thought it was? Is this source credible or should I check further? Sometimes, the specific source or article you encounter is not as important as the claim it makes. In these cases, look for additional, more reliable coverage from trusted outlets. This helps you verify the accuracy of the information, determine whether it reflects a consensus or if it is controversial, access more detailed or unbiased reporting. Trusted coverage often comes from sources with a history of accurate reporting and minimal bias. You can use fact-checking resources, such as nonpartisan websites or media bias tools, to find reputable sources. Over time, build a list of trusted outlets to streamline your research process. When encountering claims, quotes, or media, trace them back to their original source to ensure they are accurately represented. Consider, are the claims fairly and accurately presented? Is the information being taken out of context or cherry-picked? Has the content been distorted or sensationalized to attract attention? Follow links in articles, check bibliographies, and search for original studies, quotes, or reports. Context is essential, as information can easily be misrepresented when stripped from its original setting. For instance, a video, image, or claim may appear misleading if the surrounding details are omitted. Understanding the full context ensures you have a clear and accurate interpretation of the information. The Barton Library has prepared some additional resources for using the SIFT method. Use the QR codes to access and download them. Next time. This wraps up Module 4, and we'll move on to Module 5, Information has Value. There, we will talk about citation and attribution, and how to avoid ethical issues when using the information you uncover in your research. Until then, thank you for your time. If you want to learn more about the SIFT methodology, use the QR code to access Mike Caulfield's website Hapgood.